Well, good day. I thought I would do a little video on this Grapple install. It's a little 3320 John Deere tractor, and it's got a 300X front end loader on it. And this tractor did not have any available hydraulics for the grapple cylinder, so we installed a third function line kit that goes up along the loader frame there and comes down to a little bracket above the main hydraulic hookups here for the loader. That all came in the third function kit. And then we installed a third SCV kit from Deere that taps into the main hydraulic flow coming from the SCV valve. This inserts between the main SCV valve and the rock shaft valve, and these hoses run down and through all the way up to the couplers here. And then this kit comes with provisions for 2 more SCVs and a relay box here that the wiring does connect to this valve, and then it goes up in the fender and connects to this switch here, and there's room for 2 more switches for SCVs, 2 more SCVs. And then we ran the wiring for the joystick. This joystick just had a knob on it, a little small knob on it originally. We ran the wiring inside the tube. See if I can, a little hard to see there, but the wiring goes inside the tube there. Here is the, let me get over here. Here's the button on the side of the joystick. So yes, that's seems to work very nice. Crank the tractor up. Engage the hydraulics. All right, thank you very much.